If you are using Coggle for the first time, go to the Coggle website and click on Sign Up Now. Here you can choose your email and create your account. In the app, click on Create Diagram. Write the title in the center. Click on the plus sign to create a mind mapping. Here you can put images, link a website, and edit your text. You can zoom the box by clicking on the bottom right corner. By clicking on the top right corner, you can click on the plus sign to add collaborators. Also, if you click on the sign, you can chat with your collaborators to share ideas. If you click on the up arrow, you can make the Coggle public. You can also share it on social media. By clicking on the down arrow, you can download your Coggle.